Hi dear children, good morning. Today we continue the chapter fraction. Today first we study about simplest form of a fraction. What is the simplest form? The simplest means lowest form of the fraction. That is simpler form of the fraction. That means what? Yes, a fraction. Here one fraction I write here, that is 10 by 25. This is simplest form of the fraction. No, why? Here 10 and 25 has common factor. Okay. In the simplest form of the fraction contains no common factor of what? Numerator and denominator. Okay. Numerator and denominator has no common factor except 1. Then that fraction is called simplest form of the fraction. That means what? Numerator and denominator have no common factor. Numerator and denominator have no common factor except 1. അതായത് 1 അല്ലാതെ വേറെ ഒരു കോമൺ ഫാക്ടറും ന്യൂമറേറ്ററിനും ഡിനോമിനേറ്ററിനും ഉണ്ടായിരിക്കാൻ പാടില്ല. Okay, then that fraction is a simplest form or lowest form. Okay, here fraction 10 by 25. Here which is the common factor of 10 and 25? Yes, 10 and 25 are the multiples of 5. Okay, so 5 is the common factor of 10 and 25. Okay, so here divide 10 divided by 5 and 25 divided by 5. Okay, that means that common factor divided by these two numbers. Which numbers? 10 and 25. Okay, so here we got 10 divided by 5 what? 2. 25 divided by 5? 5. Here 2 and 5 has any common factor? 2 and 5 have any common factor? No common factor. So, lowest form of that is simplest form of 10 by 25 is 2 by 5. Lowest form or simplest form of 10 by 25 is 2 by 5. Another one question. 100 divided by 200. 100 divided by 200. Here 100 and 200 has any common factor? Yes. There 100 is the common factor of these two. Here this 100 contains 100. This 200 contains 200. Okay. So here what is these two numbers divided by 100. 200 divided by 100. Okay. Here 100 divided by 100 is equal to 1. 200 divided by 100, 2. Okay. This is the common step for division. That is division or using what? As cancellation of the numerator and denominator. Okay. And simple method for finding the simplest form of the given fraction is this. 10 by 25. Here use cancellation method. Here use division method. Okay. Here use cancellation method. Here we know 5 is the common factor of these two numbers. So, how many 5's contains in 10? 2 5's. How many 5's contains in 5? 25? 5. So, answer is what? 2 by 5. Okay. And in this question, 100 divided by 200. Here, last digits of the number is what? 0. Here also 0. Okay. Here numerator and denominator has two numbers. Here numerator 100, denominator contains what? One number is what? Is 200. Here 200 contains last ones and tens place 0. Here in our 100 last two places tens and ones places are 0. Okay. So here these two zeros cancelled. These two zeros also cancelled. Now we got answer is equal to what? 1 by 2. 1 by 2. Okay. Another one question. 101 divided by 200. Here this 0 and this 0 cancel. No, that is wrong. Okay, here last comes 0, that time only cancel. Between places, that places contains that 0, then that cancellation not happened. Okay, so last ingane 0 varigayanengil 1 0 or 2 0 or 3 zeros. Okay, that time we cancelled that zeros. Okay, easily cancelled and get our simplest fraction. Okay, these two questions understood. I will give another one question. 18 by 21. 18 by 21. Here, 18 and 21 contains how many common factor? 18 and 21. Here, 18 is divisible by 2. 21 is not divisible by 2. Okay, that means these two. That means 2 is not a common factor of 18 and 21. Then check 3 is the factor of 18 and 21. Here 8 plus 1 is equal to 9. That means 18 is the multiple of what? 3. Here 2 plus 1 is also 3. So these two numbers divisible by 3. Okay, so 18 by 21. How many 3's in 18? 6 times 3 is equal to 18. How many times? 7 times. Okay, so we get answer is equal to 6 by 7. Okay, clear? Write these 3 questions in your notebook. Yes, next some questions. Simplest form of a fraction. First question. 36 divided by 54. 36 divided by 54. Okay. Here two fractions are. Here two numbers. Numerator and denominator are even numbers. So these two numbers divisible by 2. Okay. So 36 by 54 is divisible by 2. 1 into 2, 2. Then 1 balance, that is 16. 16 contains how many 2's? Yes, 8 2's are 16. Okay. Then 5 contains 2 into 2, 4. 1 balance, 14. 14 contains how many 2's? 7 2's are 14. 7 2's are 14. Okay. Then we get 18 by 27. 18 by 27. Next what? 18 is divisible by 2, but 27 is not divisible by 2. Okay. Here 18 and 27 are divisible by 3. Okay. So, how many 3's in 18? 6 times. Here 27 contains how many 3's? 9 and 3 is equal to 27. Okay. So here we get answer 6 by 9. Here 6 by 9 has also one common factor. Which is the common factor of 6 and 9? 3. Okay. 2 3's are 6. 3 3's are 9. Okay. So now we got simplest fraction of 36 by 54. Okay. What is the simplest fraction of 36 by 54? Yes. 2 by 3. Another one method for finding simplest form. First we take numerator and denominator. Okay. Then find HCF of their two numbers. Okay. Here 36 and 54. Which is the common factor? First 2. Then what we get? 1 time 8 times 16. Okay. Then 2 into 2 4. 1 balance 7 times. Okay. Then what is the common factor? As 3. 6 3's are 18. 9 3's are 27. Okay. Then next what? 3. 2 into 3 6. 3 into 3 9. Okay. So this is the HCF. HCF equal to what? 3 into 3 9. Okay. 2 into 3 into 3. 2 into 3 2 into 3, 6. 6 3s are 18. Okay, so we get 18 is the HCF of these two. 18 is the HCF of these two. Okay, then what is the next step? Next step is 36 by 54 equal to 36 divided by this HCF. 18 divided by 36 divided by 18 and 54 divided by the HCF of 36 and 54. 36 divided by HCF of 36 and 54, that is 18. Then 54 divided by HCF of 36 and 54, that is 18. Then how many 18s? 18 in 36. 18 plus 18 is equal to 36. That is part 2 times. Then how many 54s in 18? Then how many? How many 18 in 54? As 3 times. 18 into 3. 8 3s are 24. 2 balance. 1 into 3, 3. 3 plus 2, 5. It is 54. That means what? 3 18 is equal to 318 is equal to 54. 318 is equal to 54. Okay. 318 is equal to 54. So our answer is what? But we got 2 by 3. Okay. These are the two methods for the finding simplest form of the given fraction. Okay. One method what? Using cancellation law. Another method, first to find HCF of the given fraction, that is HCF of numerator and denominator. Okay. Then what? Divide with that HCF with the what? Numerator and denominator. That time we got one simplest form of the fraction. You can select any one method. Okay. This method is very simple. First method. Okay. Write first question with the answer in your notebook. The next question. Here 15 by 75. We clearly know what? 15 and 75 are the multiples of 5. Okay, here last digits are what? 5s. Okay, so these two numbers are divisible by 5. How many 5s in 15? Yes, 3 5s. 5 3s are 15. And how many 5s in 75? Yes. Here, first I take that question. Okay. How many 5s in 15? 3 into 5, 15. Then here 7 contains 1 5. 1 into 5, 5. Then 2 is the balance. That is 2 and 5. Take place for 25. 25 contains how many? 5 into 5, 25. Okay. So we got 3 by 15. Now 3 and 15 contains one common factor. Which is the common factor? 3. Okay. So it is divisible by 3. 1 into 3, 3. But how many 3s in 15? 5 3s are 15. That is equal to answer 1 by 5. Okay. Then our second method. 15 and 75. Then find HCF. 5. How many 5s in 15? 3 5s. How many 5s? 1 time 5 into 5. 15. Okay, next 3. 1 into 3, 5. Okay. Then what is the HCF? HCF equal to 15. That number divided by 15. Now, yes, 15. That is 15 divided by 75 equal to 15 divided by 15. Why? We take 15. HCF equal to 5 into 3. That is equal to 15. Okay. So, HCF is 15. So, 15 is numerator and denominator divide. Okay, that is 15 divided by 15 divided by 75 divided by 15. 15 divided by 15, 1. Then 75 contains how many 15? Is 5 times. 5 into 15 is equal to 75. So we get answer 1 by 5. We get answer 1 by 5. All of you clear? Yes, clear. These two questions, homework. These two questions, homework. Right? Next, comparing fractions. Okay, here given two fractions, 1 by 3, 1 by 2. Okay, here one picture representation. Two choco bars here. That is same type. Okay, same type choco bar. Here, this choco bar divided into 3 equal parts. This choco bar divided into 2 equal parts. Okay, 1 by 3 means what? 1 part shade. Here also 1 by 2 means 1 part shade. Okay, this is 1 by 2, this is 1 by 3. Here which part is bigger? This part is bigger, this part or this part big? This part is bigger. So 1 by 3, 1 by 2 is the biggest fraction. 1 by 2 is the biggest fraction. So what clear here? Yes. Here denominators is comparing the denominators. Which denominator is smaller, that fraction is bigger. That fraction is bigger. But that time numerators are same. Numerators are same. Okay. അപ്പോൾ numerator ഒരുപോലെയും denominators different ആയി വരുമ്പോൾ ഏത് ഫ്രാക്ഷന്റെ denominator ആണോ small ആ fraction ആയിരിക്കും എന്ത് bigger fraction. Okay. Clear? First. Then second type. 2 by 3. 2 by 5. Here numerators same. Okay. Now I draw another one, another 2 bars. Two same type bar. Okay. Same size and same shape. Okay. This here this divided into 3 equal parts. This divided to 5 equal. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 equal parts. Here how many parts take? 2 parts take. Okay, here 2 parts. Here numerators same, denominators different. What happened here? What happened? Here, which fraction is here bigger? Yes, first fraction is bigger. That is here was huge amount. Here one small amount. That means what? Yes. Here numerators are same. Denominators are different here. Which numerator is smaller? That fraction is bigger. That fraction is bigger. Okay, clear? First type clear? Yes. Then next one. Here denominators are same. Denominators are same, but numerators are different. Numerators are different. Here this fraction divided into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This fraction also divided into what? 5. 5 equal parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Then here what? How many? 3 parts only taken. Here 4 parts. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here which part is big? This part is big. That means what? Greater numerator of the fraction is bigger. Greater numerator of the fraction is bigger. These two are the two common type fractions. Here we study only one method for finding the bigger and smaller fraction. Okay. But first question, 1 by 2, 1 by 3. Here first give one cross mark. First give one cross mark. Then find product. 1 into 3 what? 1 into 3. Here first find 1 into 3. Next find 2 into 1. 2 into 1 into 3. Then write here 2 into 3, 2 into 1, that right here. Okay. So first line നമ്മൾ സ്റ്റാർട്ട് ചെയ്യുന്നത് നമ്മൾ ഫസ്റ്റിൽ തന്നെ എഴുതുക. സെക്കൻഡ് ലൈനിൽ നിന്ന് പോകുന്നത് സെക്കൻഡ് പാർട്ടായിട്ട് എഴുതുക. ഓക്കെ. ഇത് രണ്ടും അങ്ങോട്ടും ഇങ്ങോട്ടും ചേഞ്ച് ചെയ്യരുത്. ഓക്കെ. ഹിയർ 1 into 3 first write, 2 into 1 write in the right second. Okay. Next, what is the product? 3. What is the product? 2. Okay. Here in this product, which is big? 3 is big. That means 1 by 2 is big. Okay. 1 by 2 is big. The next. So first question. Second question. So here last right. 1 by 2 is greater than 1 by 3. Okay. Yes. Here given. Here we get two product. Here first product is greater than our first fraction is greater fraction. If second product is greater than our second product is greater fraction. Okay. Here our second next question. 3 by 5 and 4 by 5. Okay. Here also cross multiply. Here first product 3 into 5. 3 into 5. Second product 5 into 4. 5 into 4. 3 5s are 15. 5 4s are 20. 5 4s are 20. Here which is greater number? Is 20. Okay, that means second fraction is the greater. Okay, that means what? 3 by 5 less than 4 by. That means here 4 by 5 is the bigger fraction. Clear? Write these two examples within your notebook. This next question, compare 4 by 5 and 5 by 6. Okay. 4 by 5 and 5 by 6. Okay. Just cross multiply. Okay. 4 into 6 and 5 into 5. What is 4 into 6? Is 24. 5 into 5? 25. Which is greater? As 25 is greater. Okay. So, here 25 is the greatest product. So, second fraction is the greatest fraction. Okay. So, 5 by 4 less than 5 by 6. Okay. Here second product is greater. So, our second fraction is also greatest. Okay. So, 5 by 6 is the greatest fraction from what? Fraction for these two. Okay. The next second question. This is our first question. 5 by 6 and 13 by 15. Okay, then cross multiply. 5 into 15 and 6 into 13. 5 into 15 what? As 5 into 15 is equal to 75. 6 into 13 is equal to what? 78. Here 78 is bigger product. Okay. So second fraction is greater. So 5 by 6 less than 13 by 15. Okay. 5 by 6 is less than 13 by 15. ഇവിടെ നമ്മൾ ക്രോസ് പ്രോഡക്റ്റ് എടുക്കുമ്പോൾ ഏത് ക്രോസ് പ്രോഡക്റ്റ് ആണോ ഗ്രേറ്റസ്റ്റ് വരുന്നത് ആ ഫ്രാക്ഷൻ ആയിരിക്കും എന്ത് ആ സൈഡിൽ വരുന്ന ഇതിപ്പോൾ നമ്മുടെ പ്രോഡക്റ്റ് എടുക്കുമ്പോൾ ഇവിടെ റൈറ്റ് സൈഡിൽ വന്നാൽ റൈറ്റ് സൈഡിലുള്ള ഫ്രാക്ഷൻസ് ഗ്രേറ്റർ ആയിരിക്കും. ലെഫ്റ്റ് സൈഡിലെ പ്രോഡക്റ്റ് ആണ് ബിഗ്ഗസ്റ്റ് ആണെങ്കിൽ നമ്മുടെ ഫ്രാക്ഷനിലെ ലെഫ്റ്റ് സൈഡിലുള്ള ഫ്രാക്ഷൻ ആയിരിക്കും ബിഗ്ഗസ്റ്റ്. ഓക്കെ. അപ്പൊ നിങ്ങൾ ചെയ്യേണ്ടത് ഈ ലൈൻ എഴുതുമ്പോൾ സൂക്ഷിക്കുക. 5 into 15 that is the first product. 6 into 13 that is the second product. ഇത് തമ്മിൽ ഇന്റർചേഞ്ച് ആയിപ്പോയാൽ നമ്മുടെ ആൻസർ ഫുള്ള് തെറ്റിപ്പോകും. ഓക്കെ. ഓൾവേസ് റിമെമ്പർ this step. Okay. Cross first cross product, second cross product. Okay. Clear? If you understand how can compare the given two fractions, let's write these two. Now you should write homework question. Page number 153, exercise 7.4, question number 2 and 5. Okay. Another one homework question. Page number 147, exercise 7.3, Question number 7. This question write in simplest form. These questions what? Yes, comparing given fractions. Okay, all of you understood. Now I wind up the class. We will meet again in the next class. Thank you.